This is a Fujitsu crossbar PBX. This particular frame has 40 stations and I believe 6 outgoing trunks, 3 intercom trunks. Rear of the Fujitsu crossbar. Very, very close to the Western Electric machines. There's also an XY switch in this building. We've been working on wiring it up to be able to complete at least one phone call. There's 50 line circuits in this particular switch. The connectors that's located in this machine are what is called TPL, which stands for terminal per line. This is a very rare configuration. This allows 10 10-party lines. So you'll have 10 different phone numbers on the same 2 wires, and they can use code ringing or frequency selective ringing. We have a selector shelf, and at this point we only have one talking path actually wired through. It's been quite a challenge to get to this point. Down below it are trunks, but none of them are functional at this point. Power board for the Stromberg machine has a vacuum tube tone generator, marking panels and interrupters, plus vibrator ringing generator. Rear of the common equipment power board. You hear the interrupter running in the background. Right now, Austin is dialing some calls from the XY and hanging up. Here's Daniel and his wife standing in front of the XY system.
This XY and the crossbar has been a challenge to get, has been moved several times over across the country. It originally was recovered from a museum in Brimson, Missouri, where it served until about 1985. It was removed from service and then put into a museum. I ended up with it when I was 15 when we were living in Tennessee. We moved back home to Montana, and well, now we're out here in Ohio, and it has officially made its, what would that be, 3rd move across the U.S. So we are pleased to have it set up in the basement. I am thankful that Hannah here is tolerant to have such a project in the basement. The crossbar I don't have a whole lot of history on, but that's the history I have on the XY. Very brief, of course.
All right, well, thank you.